I reckon I just have to get it right on his nose. And he'll be mine. Sitting in an awkward position. I'm getting some good casting on him though. What? I don't know what's happened there. He's taken the indicator, but he's still connected. I do not have a clue what's just happened. He came up, he rose and took the indicator, and yet I've hooked up, so I don't know what's happened. The nymph must have got tangled up in him somehow. I don't know really what's happened. Yes! Well, the scales are showing 4.5, so geez, that's a crack of a 4.5. What a fish. That's a solid, stunning hen. And that there has just come out of his belly. So he cockabilly there.